AI's predicted surges. Number 3 IonQ plus 20.48%, number 2 Supermicro plus 24.27%. What is the number 1 stock? Check it right now. We turn our attention now to TSMC, currently standing at number 10 on our watch list. Reports indicate its margins are facing headwinds, specifically from the robust US push to establish American-made AI chip production. However, looking ahead, our AI model is forecasting a robust 15-day expected return for TSMC, projecting a positive 13.6%. Good afternoon. Let's turn our attention now to ARM Holdings, which ranks number 9 on our list today. While we haven't seen any specific new headlines or developments regarding ARM in our pre-analyzed reports this hour, the focus for investors might pivot to our AI-driven insights. Our system is projecting a notable 15-day expected return of positive 15.2% for ARM Holdings. We begin today with LG Electronics, currently ranking as our 8th most watched stock. The company has seen impressive market activity, with shares surging following multiple reports of a landmark partnership with Android Auto to revolutionize the smart cockpit ecosystem, leveraging Google-powered automotive software. Yahoo Finance notes a significant climb, while Moomoo reported LG stock jumping as much as 29% on the news, and CNBC highlighted a 24% surge after LG showcased these automotive innovations using Google's technology. For investors tracking this momentum, our AI's 15-day expected return for LG Electronics projects a substantial gain of positive 17.1%. Good morning, and welcome back to the Market Movers. Turning our attention to DB HiTek, a standout performer ranked among our top companies. The company is strategically capitalizing on a significant market shift, specifically benefiting as major players like Samsung and TSMC retreat from legacy chip manufacturing. This pivot is allowing DB HiTek to capture increased demand in this crucial segment. While its shares have seen a substantial rise recently, gaining 32%, our AI models are forecasting continued momentum, projecting a strong 15-day expected return of positive 17.2%. Micron is driving significant market activity this hour, seeing a powerful surge in its stock as it leads an AI-fueled rally, a dynamic shared with SK Hynix. Our data indicates this momentum may continue, with AI projecting a 15-day expected return for Micron of positive 17.7%. Turning our attention now to HD Hyundai Electric, currently standing as our 5th-ranked stock. The company is certainly generating buzz, with reports from Mail Business highlighting its ambition, alongside LG Innotek, to return to the prestigious Million One Club. This forward momentum is reflected in active discussions surrounding its forward price-to-earnings ratios, as seen on platforms like TradingView. Adding to this positive sentiment, Simply Wallsty recently posed the question, should you be adding HD Hyundai Electric to your watch list today? For investors weighing that very question, our AI model is projecting a significant 15-day expected return of plus 17.9%. Good morning, and welcome back to the Market Movers. We're turning our attention to SK Square, ticker KRX, 402340, which stands out today as our number 4 stock to watch. Our proprietary AI has projected a significant 15-day expected return of plus 19.3% for the investment company. This forecast comes amidst growing market interest, with Simply Wall Street questioning if now is the time to put SK Square on your watch list. A key driver here is the renewed focus on its underlying assets, particularly SK Hynix. CNBC reports on the potential for the South Korean chipmaker to debut on U.S. markets, a development that could be transformative for its parent. Investors are also keenly reviewing its valuation, with discussions around SK Square's price-to-book forward ratio actively circulating on platforms like TradingView. All eyes are on SK Square as these factors converge. And now, for our number 3 ranked company today, we're focusing on IonQ. This quantum computing player has been a magnet for headlines, from Jim Cramer in a recent lightning round declaring he's going to steer clear, to the Motley Fool issuing a stark $988 million warning that's reverberating across the quantum computing sector, affecting IonQ alongside Rigetti and D-Wave. However, amidst these cautionary notes, Yahoo Finance indicates IonQ continues to attract significant investor attention. And perhaps aligning with that underlying interest, our AI models are projecting a notable 15-day expected return of positive 20.5% for IonQ. Shifting focus now to Supermicro, ranked number 2, which has certainly been a key player in recent market activity. The company's stock has seen a notable surge, following an optimistic raise in its gross margin guidance and the significant news of a reported record $60 billion backlog. These strong fundamentals are catching the eye of our AI models, which are now projecting a 15-day expected return of plus 24.3% for Supermicro. Alright, let's turn our attention now to Rigetti Computing, ticker RGTI, which is making waves as our top-ranked stock today. The quantum computing firm has been in focus recently, with reports highlighting its strong cash position and significant backing from the US market. While analysts debate whether its current valuation is perhaps too rich amidst the intense competition in the quantum space against peers like IonQ and D-Wave, investors are certainly watching closely. Adding to this heightened interest, our AI model is projecting a notable 15-day expected return of plus 35.1% for Rigetti Computing. Powered by the top-ranked AI Ensemble model, we analyzed 7 major indicators like OBV and our SI through Tech and Quant to bring you these rankings, completed with reinforcement learning. See you again at this time tomorrow.